Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rima from Gurunanda Tea. Today, I'm going to talk about daily habits that are damaging your teeth. Even if you brush and floss every day, but some of your everyday habits may be quietly damaging your teeth. Brushing too hard and too sooner. Brushing too aggressively is one of the biggest mistakes people make. When you brush too hard, you are scrubbing away your enamel, that is a strong outermost layer which protects your teeth, which can further lead to sensitivity and gum recession. Another mistake, brushing right away after eating. If you have had something acidic drinks like cold drinks, juices or sodas, so try to avoid brushing immediately after having all these drinks, because enamel is softened for about 30 minutes and then this acid pushed down into the enamel, which leads to enamel erosion. So it's better to wait for at least 30 minutes. And if you want to brush, then brush with a soft bristed toothbrush. Sipping on soda, coffee and energy drinks all day. Constant sipping means that your teeth are constantly bathing in acid. Even if you are taking sugar-free drinks that are lowering your mouth pH and will further lead to wearing down of enamel. If you are sipping throughout the day, your teeth will never get a break. So if you want to have something, coffee and then soda or energy drinks, try to take it in one sitting. And even after that, rinse it with water and use of straw to minimize the contact. Snacking all day long. Every day, every time you eat snacks and something like starchy food or sugary foods, so bacteria in your mouth feed on it and produce acid for about 30 minutes. So if you are having all these things, you were constantly on the acid attack. So try to avoid snacking all day. Stick to particular meals, and even if you want to have something snacky, then go for veggies, nuts and cheese. Too many acidic food and drinks like lemon water, sparkling water, all these are very trendy. But you should take it, but not too much that otherwise the acid in it erode the enamel. So if you want to have it, just rinse it afterwards with water and then take this brush immediately. You have to wait for at least 30 minutes. Don't brush it immediately after having all these things. Even chewing on ice or hard candy, these habits will also cause some cracks in your teeth which get worsened over time. So try to avoid this habit. Teeth grinding or clenching of teeth, that is called bruxism. Even if you don't know about this habit, because it happens especially during sleep or due to stress. So if you're doing all this, it will lead to teeth pain and jaw pain and even that wearing down of enamel that we call it adhesion. So talk to your dentist about this habit and even they will advise you for a night guard. Even some people are using the teeth as their tools. So try to avoid this habit. Otherwise, it will further lead to crack in your teeth. Drinking too much wine. Red wine stains teeth, but white wine is still slightly acidic. So it will further weaken your enamel. So take it, but don't take it too much. And even after having all these drinks and you're brushing it sooner, so you are causing further double damage to your teeth. So try to avoid the brushing after having all these drinks. You can rinse with water, but wait before brushing. Skipping flossing, and you're flossing only just if you feel like it. You know that flossing removes 40% of the tooth surface, a cleaner area. Mouth breathing or breathing with wide mouth open. Some people, they have a habit of breathing through your mouth. Otherwise, if you do it, it will further lead to cavities, gum disease and bad breath. So try to avoid this habit. Stay hydrated and try to breathe through your nose. Most dental damage don't happen overnight. It will build up only through these small daily habits. So try to avoid these daily habits. So with a few simple changes, you can protect your enamel, gums and your smile for a life. Take care, stay healthy and keep smiling always. Thank you.